In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Airbnb listing. First, log into your host account. If you're on a computer, open Airbnb.com and sign in with your account. On the mobile app, tap Profile, then switch to hosting mode so you see your hosting tools instead of the guest view. Being in hosting mode ensures you can access and change your listing details. Next, head to your listings. On desktop, click the menu, choose Listings, and select the property you want to update. On mobile, tap Listings and pick the listing you plan to edit. Once you've opened it, you're in the listing dashboard, the control center where all your information lives. From here, select Edit Listing. You'll see sections like Photos, Title, Description, Pricing, Amenities, Location, and Availability. Click or tap any section you want to change. It's a good idea to work through one area at a time so your updates stay organized and consistent. Let's refine the title. Keep it clear and benefit focused so guests instantly understand the value. For example, modern 1BR condo with pool and fast Wi-Fi near downtown. Aim for strong keywords that reflect what guests search for, like location cues, standout features, and any can't-miss amenities. Avoid fluff and keep it readable. Now update the description. Make sure your house rules are current, highlight nearby attractions, and call out unique features or recent upgrades. Short, scannable paragraphs work best, with the most important details at the top. Think about what a guest needs to decide quickly: comfort, convenience, and what makes your place special. Refresh your photos next. Upload higher quality images, reorder so the best shot is the cover, and remove anything outdated. Bright natural lighting and tidy spaces make a big difference. Show every key area: bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, living spaces, and include any signature features guests will love. Adjust pricing to reflect current demand. You can change your nightly rate, cleaning fee, and add weekly or monthly discounts. If you use smart pricing, review the settings so your minimums and maximums match your goals. Remember, pricing updates can apply right away, so set them thoughtfully. Check your amenities, accurately mark essentials like Wi-Fi speed, a dedicated workspace, parking details, self-check-in options, and key kitchen appliances. Complete and truthful amenities help your listing appear in the right searches and set clear expectations for guests. Update your availability calendar. Block dates you can't host, set a minimum stay that fits your operations, and confirm check-in and check-out times. This keeps your schedule realistic and helps prevent conflicts. And finally, always click Save before exiting. Some changes, especially pricing, take effect immediately, keeping your listing accurate